Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get data from the web into Power BI. First off, we open Power BI desktop, which we're already in, and then we click on Get Data on the Home tab. So we're in the Home tab now, so we click on Get Data, and then we select Web as the data source. So we want to get it from a website, so I select Web, and now we impute the URL of the website which we want to get our data from. So I'll give you a quick preview of the data set I'm bringing in. Let's head off to Google, and then I have this Nigerian states by population table which I want to bring into my Power BI, right? So having this table, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, right? So I'll copy the URL, and then I'll head back to Power BI and impute it here, and then I'm going to click OK. So once a connection is established to it, I should have my navigator window pop open, right? I think one thing with getting data, now I'm going to go ahead and select individual tables for preview to see if it's the table I require. So I start off with table 1, and I see this is exactly the table I want to get into Power BI. But one thing I notice is this is imputing the total Nigeria, which is not something I want to happen. So I'm just going to select the table first to load it in, and then I'm going to click transform instead of load. So I'll transform this data. Okay, so the Power Query editor is open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the very end, right? So I can see this part of my data, which I do not want, by the way, because when I start creating charts with it, it's going to skew my data a bit. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select remove rows, and then remove bottom rows, right? And then I'm going to select the number of rows which I want, which is 1. Then I'm going to say OK. And there you have it. We've successfully removed the total row, right? So that's what I was aiming for. And now that that's done, let's go ahead to close and apply all settings. So the data is being loaded to the model. Yeah, and we have exactly 37 rows loaded in. Now the data from the web page is in Power BI, and we can use it to create reports and dashboards now. So just a quick demo, I'm just going to drag and drop a bar chart. So we're going to just create a quick visual. So I want to select my population as at 2019. And then I want to select that's my x-axis, and then my state. So I want to show the state by the by its population, and then I want to filter this to just show me the top states, just top 5 states. So I want to go to top n, edit that to top 5 by what? By population, and apply the filter. And then I want to edit this visual a bit, right? I want to turn on my data labels. So I want to go to data labels, turn on, so you can see exactly. I want to go to my y-axis and turn off the title. Go to my x-axis as well and turn off the title. I want to increase the size of this. Let's do a 16. Let's have the same thing here as well. 16. Then let's increase our data labels as well, so we can clearly see them written. So let's increase the font size as well. So the font size from 9 to 16. That's clearly. Now we just need to work on our title. I'll add on to general title. I'm just going to call this most populated states in Nigeria as at 2019. And I would increase this to maybe size 20 and just some slight modifications and effects. So I give a shadow. Then I'll change my background to this light gray color. So yeah, this is how you get data from a web into Power BI. And I think what's one thing that's interesting to note is that as the data updates in the website, it automatically updates here as well too. So if more data is added to it, because as you can see we have only population for 2006 and 2019, but if more population was to be added to it, we can also carry out more analysis for other years as well. So that's how you get data into Power BI from the web. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.